Greetings from TaiyangNews. I'm Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. The team of TaiyangNews is on the floors of Intersolar Europe, the largest solar show of the continent. And right now I am at the booth of Huasun, one of the leading heterojunction technology supplier, manufacturer and developer. And I am with Christian Comas, and Christian said they have really two interesting new products. We will hear more from Christian now.
So what we have here behind me is the solution to the main problem that we have in the photovoltaic industry as a whole in the coming years. And that problem is the low price of electricity during the central hours of the day. As you know, if you look at the market of electricity in Spain or in Germany, when you have a lot of photovoltaic, you have an abundance or even too much electricity available during the central hours of the day, and the price just goes down even into negative values. What can you do about it? Batteries, of course, are a way to get that very cheap energy and use it later, but we have a little bit more intelligent option. So we have modules installed vertically. What you get with an installation east-west is that the power is generated at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day. During lunchtime, you still have power, but not as much. The clue here is to use photovoltaic modules that are optimized for vertical installation with bifaciality that is almost 100%. This bifaciality means that you have the same yield if you install the site with vertical modules compared to installing in an optimum face-southing system. And if you have the same amount of total energy, but you produce when the energy is more expensive, you get more money. We calculated that for the price of electricity in Germany 2024, the vertical system gives about 20% more income to the owner. And that is possible only because we have panels with almost 100% bifaciality, and that is the characteristic of heterojunction. The other product that we have here is something that is the future of the photovoltaics. We have here a tandem heterojunction with perovskite, and this module should come to the market in the next 2 or 3 years and will have more than 800 watt of power. We're talking about efficiencies of 27, maybe 28% at module level. The key here is that this manufacturing will only need a small step additionality to heterojunction. So the cost will be very similar to heterojunction or even lower, but the power will be much higher. Heterojunction plus perovskite is the promise of the next real change in the industry, but of course we don't know when it's going to happen because the reliability of perovskite tandem is still under study. That's why we have a production line already running. We are testing these modules. We're going to iterate until their reliability is as high as the market really needs.